G'day legends, how's it going today? It's Trev here from Trev's Life. On today's video, I'm going to have a crack at making one of these famous egg breakfast sangers. Alrighty, let's get stuck in. So, we got the pan heating up. First of all, let's chuck in a bit of butter. Alright, make sure we get the butter all over the pan so she don't stick. Right, to that we got to add 3 eggs. 1, 2, 3, whoops, leave the shells out. Alright, and 3 eggs, and then we chuck in a bit of salt, bit of Elisa's famous garlic pepper, and you don't put any milk in this because we're not making scrambled eggs. This is an egg sandwich. Alright, so give it a whisk. Just like that. And then make sure your butter's spread out. And then we just tip it straight in. Alright, so you've got to be pretty quick. Get your bread. Do that. Get your other piece. Do that, and now we wait a couple of minutes, we let that start to cook, and then we flip the whole thing over. Rightio, let's flip him over. Woohoo, it actually worked. We're on a win. Okay. So, now that she's flipped over, we're going to put the ham. I just got some thin shaved ham. Chuck it in there like so. And then some nice stretchy cheese. And we'll sort of just spread that around so it can start to melt a bit. Rightio. So, as far as quick breakfasts is concerned, this is pretty quick. Nice hot brekkie, nice and quick. Okay, so that's about done. So now what we do is we flip the sides into the center, like so. And then we flip this whole side over, like that. And I'm going to turn this heat off because there'll be plenty of residual heat in the pan to let that butter melt and let the ham get nice and warm. Look at that, eh? Yeah. Alrighty, so we'll let that sit for a minute or so, and then we'll chop him up and have a taste test. Alright gang, that's been sitting for a couple of minutes to let the cheese melt. Let's chuck him on a plate and have a bit of a taste test. Would you look at that, eh? That only took what, 2 minutes to cook? Alright, let's do the pull test and see if the cheese stretches. A little bit. I reckon if you left it in the pan for maybe a couple more minutes, just to let that cheese melt a little bit more, but whatevs. Looks pretty bloody delicious to me. Let's give it a taste. That's bloody delicious. And because you've got 3 eggs in there, I reckon even for one big fella, you'd only need one sandwich because, yeah, 3 eggs, ham, cheese. Oh man, that's good. Righto gang, that's today's little video. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you on the next one. Ta-da. You guys still here? It's really good, eh? See ya.